Okay guys, so this is our manure toolbar. It's a Zimmerman with Red Viper row units on it. And we actually had a tooth come off, or a chisel point come off down here on one of these shanks. This is actually considered a no-till bar. But one of these came off. And it was off for too long, and it wore really bad on the bottom right here. So we've got that one off and a good one off, and we got them here in the vise, and you can see how much it needs. It needs quite a bit. It needs almost a 1/4 inch or more. So we're going to take a piece of key stock and we're going to weld it on here, and then we're going to grind it off to match what it should be when we get finished with it. So that was Keith's idea. So I think it'll work. It definitely needs it, and we're going to go ahead and try it. Think it'll work, Keith?
It'll work.
It'll work.
100%.
Yeah. So we've got the first piece of key stock welded onto it to build it up. Now we're going to put another one over here on this side, and then we'll grind it down and hopefully make it match. So we've got that on there, and actually it looks really good. This one is actually wore down a little bit too, so we're going to leave it a little bit higher. We're going to take them apart, and then we can weld on the inside of it where we put that key stock on, and then we got to grind this side down yet too. So we'll get that done.
Now, when we release this, we got 2 pieces. So
okay, and they're hot. The top.
okay.
You got them apart? Okay. So that's going to be a lot easier to weld if it's laying down flat. And I think I just put it down here. Okay. Now I'm going to weld this side, and then we're going to grind it down. And I think Keith's idea is going to be a good one. So here we are, got it all welded. Now we just got to grind it down, shape it, and put it back on. Okay, so I'm just going to grind it on the floor so we don't have to put it up on the table.
Nice weld.
Get lucky once in a while.
Related to that bigger welding guy?
Heard of them, both of them. So it's looking good. All ground up. Now we just gotta fit it. Make sure it fits. Okay, so we want to show you the finished product here. It fits good. Oh, does that just come out of there with a hammer?
No, yeah, fingers.
Oh, it looks pretty good, really. See, actually it looks better than the rest of them that are on there, so we're just going to call it good.
Looks like some kind of animal.
Huh?
Looks like an animal. This is his eye here.
Oh, yeah, it kind of does. So, anyhow, that, we'll probably end up putting it back on the manure bar and going with it. Got it back on the toolbar. So this toolbar is how it works, is you drag a hose through the field, and the hose gets hooked up to this coupler here, and then the manure goes up the bar, up the pipe, and then it comes down, and then it goes into through the flow meter, so it goes down around that pipe, and then up into that gray thing right there, and that's the flow meter. That tells you how many gallons that are coming out, so you know. And then it comes down this black hose with the green on it, and then it goes into this cylinder looking thing with the hoses, octopus looking thing. And then these hoses, one hose, there's like a chopper in here. This hydraulic motor turns this thing inside here to keep these ports clean, the holes in front of these hoses. And then one hose goes to each row. So this is an 8-row toolbar, 20 feet wide, so it'd be every 30 inches there's a row. This toolbar has been really, really good. We're really happy with it. It's a Zimmerman ZML QA20 out of Iowa. The guys are excellent to work with. Really good. And if it's not right, they will make it right with you. Like, there was a couple things with this, and they actually took the toolbar, they went and changed it, and it works perfect now, just flawless. So we are done working on equipment for the day. I'm gonna go back to the farm, and I'm gonna show you guys how nice those fans look, because we went and put all the shrouds back on, or yeah, and they look really nice. So we'll go check that out and finish up down there, and that's gonna be it. Okay, so we're back down at the farm, and just wanted to show you how much better these fans look now that they're cleaned up. This whole barn is done. It just makes a world of difference on the whole environment. It just makes it feel a lot cleaner. It makes you think the fans are working a lot better, and it was well worth it. So I guess that'll be it for today's video, and we'll talk to you guys later. Oh, we gotta grind this side. Okay. Remember to clean that hole out just for the close. Yeah, I got pretty close sliders in there.